Today's that is MSME for export-led growth and innovation. This is a workshop. I'm very happy to be part of this workshop. See, export is not a new phenomenon to Andhra Pradesh. Even if you take the Shetavahana dynasty, Kakatiya dynasty, the Andhra Pradesh is well placed in ancient India and medieval India as far as exports are concerned. But unfortunately, by bifurcation itself, or the reason of the dark period for the last 5 years, it has pushed back. Now the visionary Chief Minister, our country knows, and even warned, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu, and also the dynamic and progressive, positive, young and energetic, because all are aptly, I'm using the words to our Minister, Sri Kondapalli Srinivas garu. This MSME of Andhra Pradesh scenario is gradually changing towards achieving the goals of our Chief Minister to get every house an entrepreneur by 2030. And on that occasion, and the government is initiated a very good policy, that is MSME policy, never in the history of the Andhra Pradesh industrial policy. And also, the bureaucracy is gearing up towards the achievement of this target initiated by our Honorable CM. So what exports needs, that is policy support, that the government is taking care of it. The single window, we are shifting towards the speed of doing business from ease of doing business. And quick clearances and time-bound clearances, whatever support the government is, that is there in Andhra Pradesh administration, you might have well aware. And infrastructure development, you see, you will be appreciate the policy of the government in MSME, that is MSME parks, a new concept, that is nano parks, MSME parks is that came into the existence. Apart from APIS's enlightenment of something, and also the government of Andhra Pradesh inviting the private people to develop a parks. That is a game changer. I will definitely call Honorable Sir, in presence of you, it is a game changer to the MSME policy of Andhra Pradesh. That is private parties developing the MSME parks. And financial assistance, which is a major concern for both the state as well as stakeholders. Even in this constraint stage, and most of the budget is allotting to the MSME to get the speed of the entrepreneur development, because the government knows the value of the MSME sector for the development, economy and employment creation. And I request Honorable Minister, sir, as far as financial assistance is concerned, CGTMSE, what the Gujarat government entered the agreement with the bankers. So our state, even though it was initiated after coming of power, Kotami government, that kindly speed it up so that most of the MSME units will be benefited, and definitely I will feel that they will get the fuel and oxygen for their industries. And skill enhancement. You see, under the RAM program and skill development, so whatever the technology updation, government is very updated, imparting the